Push screens. Screen switch. Switch screens. Screen switch. See, when I'm not recording, it'll screen switch. Don't change on me. All right. Mason Bay. I'll show you tomorrow. Beautiful spot. I'm just got some veggies on. I'm just doing dinner. Been here all day. Got a heap of veggies in there, all just sort of marinating in a little bit of oil and garlic and chili and pepper and all the above. Potato, carrots, onion, what's there, broccoli, there's cauliflower. Oh, it smells good. And I've got some homemade rissoles and some par-baked rolls, so that'll do me tonight. I'll show you when it's dished up. This is going to be good. What am I here? I'm here for 4 nights, so I'm almost out of my fresh veggies. I've got a heap of frozen veggies left. Big kudos to the Big Blue building, because I don't care what anyone says about their stuff, that's still frozen. Did you see the steam come out of that? Alright, all good. I'll show you Mason Bay tomorrow. I just needed a bit of a day to sort of relax and catch up on shit, and had a shower, and I'm smelling pretty sexy, to be honest. And Pip, we've been for a few walks, eh? Down the beach. Yeah. Except for a few quad bikes and a few motorbikes and everything else cruising around, that sort of spoils the place. But I don't know, is that the thing around here, down the southwest? Bring your bikes. If I had one, I'd use it. So, got to be fair. Anyway, I'll see you in the morning. No, actually, I'll show you dinner and then I'll see you in the morning. Hear that? Quad bike? Dunno. Okay. So, got my stir fry veggie with my what do they call, rissoles, and some bread rolls. I've been waiting for this for a little while, so I'm pretty hungry. Oh, look at that. Oh yeah. And I know someone else has been waiting. You had chicken strips for dinner, bro. Come on. Alright, I'm gonna eat this while it's still warm. All good. I'll see you in the morning. Good bloody morning. Just show you a couple of the campsites. This is probably testament to online booking, because there's no one here. Some of them are a fair size and some of them are quite small. Caters for everyone, I guess. Caravan, swags. Pretty good dump point up there, or sorry, loo, drop loo. I'll show you these 2 camp spots just up here. This is, I reckon, pick of the crop, 24 and 25, especially 25. It's pretty good. Room with a view too. Bloody awesome. And a little tent section. Very shady. And Mason Bay Beach. Wish the sun was out. dump point with a hose. That's pretty cool. And another Starlink. That's so good. Pip! Mason Bay. Oh dear, what's that noise, Pip? Is that rain? More rain? Oh well, is what it is. Not sure if you can see that, but I don't know what bird it is. He's a bit bigger than a willy wagtail. It's making these real bizarre noises. It's kind of like swinging a... It's like swinging a hose around in a circle. You know how it makes that sort of funny noise? It's quite cool. Do it again. Good bloody goon afternoon. Dinner time. Oh, got my lamb mignons going. They're from my local butcher. And I've got some zucchini and some coleslaw, which I've already mixed up. That's going to be dinner. Still a bit shitty out there. Rained or drizzled most of the day. Yeah, is what it is. I'll show you when dinner's done or been dished up. Okay, my beef mignons are just resting. Look at them. They look so good. These were really nice last time I had them when I went a little while ago. Just waiting for my zucchini to chill out. Got some coleslaw on the side and that'll be dinner. Awesome. This will be it for today. This is day 2. I'll see you in the morning. I'm hoping to get the drone up. I took little Neo out for a little run, but yeah, it's not quite the same. So I'll see you in the morning. Well, how we going? Good bloody goon afternoon. Day 3, Mason Bay. Campground. Got a nice sunny day. Still blowing his bum off down the beach though. Let me introduce you to dinner. I've cooked this before. I can't remember what it is, but it's a chicken breast wrapped in bacon with chipotle and some other spices in there. Zucchini, and I've got some potato and some onion. I want to cook all that up. I'll just put the lid on it just to keep the natives off it. But yeah, I'll show you when dinner's going. It's bizarre, eh, this place. I tried to book a few campsites which were, I'm on the outer side of the beach. I actually wanted the coast side of this track where I am in the upper level, because then I'll have a view of the water. And they're all empty. They're still empty. That's bizarre. And they said they're all booked. So I reckon this booking system is crap. Whoever's managing that needs to reassess, in my opinion. And I spoke to a few crew that's just come through, a couple other campers last night and all that. They reckon camping's so hard to do now because they can't book. They offer all the services like the Wi-Fi. I don't know if you can see that tower there, which makes it easy to book, but you can't get a spot because there's no spots. But there's no one here. Anyway, I've got one more day here. Anyway, that's my rant. I'll show you when dinner's served or being cooked. I'm so happy how this chicken wrap's going. It just stays together. It's awesome. So if you're in Ellenbrook, go to my local butcher. Alright, all good. So, good bloody goon evening. Got my chicken, my baked potato with onion and my zucchini. That's all good to go. Yum yum. Alright, that'll be me for today. I'll see you in the morning. Oh, good morning. 4 nights at Mason Bay. That was pretty cool. I sort of dipped out on the weather a little bit, but as usual, the day you leave, it's beautiful. Didn't get the drone up. I'm a bit pissed I didn't do that. I should have. I was just being lazy. Heading home. I might go to Duggan Dam, stay there for the night. I'll just see how I go. Been out for nearly 2 weeks now, so Mason Bay, great camp. It was like an aviary at times for all the bird life that was here. It was pretty cool to see. Family friendly, good drop loos. The only thing I reckon it needs is like a little communal area, so somewhere like a camp kitchen or something, somewhere where you can hang out, have an opportunity to say g'day to someone else rather than walking up to their camp. Anyway, if you're still watching, cheers for that. Cheers to all the new subscribers. I'll see you on my next one.